and I'm back in my and in my last video, alright, so I had a pumpkin and I put rubber bands around it and it exploded. And I told you guys to comment, what should we do with this giant pumpkin? And some of you guys said, someone said run over it with a car, which would break the car, first of all, this is like off-road. But anyway, someone said to throw it off your wall, and then someone said to get it falling and catch it in slow-mo or something. So what we're gonna do is we're going to drop this pumpkin from that window up there. That top window. We're gonna go up there and we're gonna slam it down.
Give me the pumpkin.
But it's my pumpkin! Fine. So these are my friends. This is my friend Mikey, this is my friend Abby.
Sorry.
And that's my brother Dylan on camera. Shout out to all of their channels. No, don't show your face. What are you doing? Alright. Alright, so first we're just gonna like do stuff on the trampoline with it. Like we're gonna bounce to see how high we can get it. But then we'll explode it and let's get started.
Alright, slam it. Oh! Dude, that was so close. Oh, fast! Oh! Oh, jeez, Jason.
Ow! It hit my knee. Go! Got him!
Never done a backflip successfully. Go try it.
Noise.
Hey, I use my hand, so it don't count.
Get it.
Ah!
That was close. We're gonna drop it now.
Just from here, not even that way.
Ready? If it cracks, I swear. Alright, let's go.
Alright, we are about to drop this pumpkin.
We're gonna drop this.
Drop it.
Hey, is slow-mo on? Yeah. Don't stop it until I tell you to.
Oh no, your phone! No, I'm just kidding.
Do I start it now?
Yeah, start it now. Dylan, is that one going?
Yep.
Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Yoink.
That's it!
What? Wait, hold on. Will it just go through if I go like that?
No, it won't. It might rip the screen.
Screens are ready. Someone hold that up.
Oh yeah, that's more ripped than I thought. Never mind.
I'm doing it.
No, come
Tape
I'm
it.
throwing it.
Please.
Do you want me to film it or in slow motion?
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me when to press the button. I'll be.
Okay, start it now. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yoink!
Woohoo! Look at that.
Can't wait to do a backflip in all the seats.
Okay, so we're gonna drop this one more time because it still hasn't like fully exploded yet, except for the seeds. But we're gonna go upstairs and like chuck it down one more time, okay?
And now we have to clean it up first.
I'll be back.
Yes, you will. You better.
We'll start the cleanup video now.
Look how many seeds are on here.
That's because of me.
That's insane.
Dude, stop.
Dylan! It's on my feet.
Wow, really?
Alright, you ready?
No?
Yeah.
Alright, we'll just put it on a pole. Hang on. Hold up. Look how many seeds are in here. So much.
Whoa!
So much.
You got so many.
Okay, Abby, do slow-mo. Make sure it's not slow-mo. Okay, start it now. Okay, Dylan, are you ready?
Alright, I'm gonna catch it.
No, don't. Woo! Get out the way. Start it now. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Here, someone try to toss it back up to me.
I'll toss part of it back up to you. It was so gross. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh!
Don't get that all over my room.
Oh!
Ah! It left a mark.
Here, throw a bigger part.
Here, just.
Yeah, right there. Okay. Here's like chuck the whole thing.
Oh, careful, it's all wet. It's all moist.
Woo!
Oh!
Woo!
That didn't work as well here. That one's all broken, but. It's all over me.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you liked it, be sure to check out the other one if you haven't seen it yet. Link in the description. Shout out to Dylan for recording me. Shout out to Mikey, even though he doesn't have any videos. And shout out to Abby for recording slow-mo. You know, she doesn't have any videos either.